Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a Huyndai Kona. So with the car off, first off, you want to start the ignition by pressing the start button twice. Then you want to pull the handbrake. With the ignition on, press the menu button on the right side of the steering wheel to access the menu. For step 2, you're now in the menus, press the menu button until you see user settings and press OK. Then scroll down to service interval and press OK. So now for the third and final step, you're now in the service interval menu. Press and hold the OK button until it asks you reset time and distance. Press yes. Your new service interval should be shown and your service light has been reset. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.